나타나준 너 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지 첫눈에 반한다는 이야기가 널 보는 순간 이해가 됐어 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야 내 맘을 고백하려고 타이밍만 보는 나 그런 나를 넌 보며 왜 그러냐고 묻네 너 때문에
I'm sure you guys were thinking, is this girl not gonna speak to us today? Of course, your bukkyvega is gonna say something. I just want you guys to enjoy the Korean music for a little more moment. There's nothing much you're doing, we're just trying to boil the peas now. So enjoy and I'll be back in a moment. Mwah!
시간은 계속 흘러만 가고 기다리다 지쳐 그만
Right, welcome back. Here again. So now let's oil our pan to start making peas. And right there at the corner I have my rice cooking. So here I'm adding my garlic, you know, to fry it. And now I'm adding my onions to stir fry both of them. Okay? Now I'm adding in my cumin seed. Cumin seed is best to be fried in oil for us to get all the good stuff in it. So here I'm trying to stir fry my, what's it called again? My carrots. I almost forgot. So let's stir fry and enjoy the music and the cooking. Bookie in the kitchen. So here I'm adding my pepper, my ginger, and turmeric. Now some salt to taste. Let's stir together. Let's stir together, and adding some little water to cook the carrot just a bit before we add in our peas. Okay? Oh, I'll be back in a moment. Alright, see ya. But before I go, let me check my rice if it's done. I think it's done. Okay, let it switch it off. The rice is ready. Woo! See ya. Back again, so it's time to add in our peas. The carrot is nicely cooked, not too soft, but perfect to add in our peas now. So I hope you guys are enjoying this cooking as much as I am. Really, making this dish, I have a beautiful story in mind, and I hope this dish is going to give you the idea of making something your friend, you know, just make a nice package for your friend. It's Daniel fast friendly, it's vegan friendly, everybody can eat this food. Now I'm adding in my frozen green peas for some, you know, coloring and some extra flavor. You know. Please do me a favor and check the description for the ingredients used, alright, and the quantity. Here I added my black pepper and to stir. So I'm just gonna leave it for some few more minutes, just like 2 minutes, everything to steam together, and that's it. Our food is done. It's done, as you can see, all colorful, yummy. You know, it's time to taste, and I have to taste this to know if it's, you know, perfect, and it's perfect for me. Yes, it's time for plating, okay? I'm hungry. Who's hungry? Oh, yummy. Wow. So beautiful, so pleasant. I hope this gives you the idea. You guys should try this out. You should. Now it's time to eat. I'm gonna enjoy my dish and bless God for providing this food. Those who have not eaten, may He provide unto them in the name of Jesus, and let it be nourishing for me to flourish. Amen. So let's have a bite. Yum, 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 yum. So here's the package for my friend. Don't forget to try it out and enjoy it with your friends as well. Bye.